All right, welcome to class. So we want to solve the next question on the board of factorization. We already know that in factorization, I've already given you the breakdown in the first video. I told you that what do you do first? That we are going to have what we call product here. Product. Then we have sum here. Then we have factor here. So what is my product? My product is when you multiply the first values of the power of x here and the coefficient of x squared here by the last thing here. That will give us minus 36x squared. That's the value we are having here. Next up, the sum is the middle value here, which is plus 5. Now, what else? What do I know going further now? Now, what do we multiply to give us minus 36? And that number, when we add or subtract that number, we'll get the sum. Quickly, it's 9 times 4. Look at this. 9 times 4 will give me 36. It's very quick and sharp. 36. Now, what's the other thing I know? This is minus 36. And I told you in the other video that, look at this. If the sum here is plus, that means the biggest number will be plus. If the sum here is minus, that means the biggest number will be minus. Please note those two factors. Very important. Here is plus now. It means that the biggest number here will be the one carrying the plus. So I'll have plus 9 here times the smaller number will carry the minus. Remember, everything will give us minus 36. Now, I now say for the sum, what do I do for the sum? We say if we either add or subtract. You see, we did not mention multiply anymore for sum. If we add or subtract. Now, for the sum, now I will remove these times. If you do that, I'm having 9 and 4. If you do that. So check now. 9 plus 9 minus 5 minus 4 means plus 5. That means that this is what we need. So I will now come here now. For the factor, I will write plus 9x and minus 4x. That's what I will write here. Now, what do I now do now? Pick the last value here first. Then plus. Don't put this one anymore. Remember, it's in trinomial form. This is trinomial. We are taking it to quadratic. Quad means 4 variable. 4. So how do we graduate this 4 variable into this 3 variable, into 4 variable? That's what we are doing now. So for me to do that, I will no longer put this one anymore. I will remove this one and introduce this 2 variable. So that will give us 9x minus 4x. Then I will take this last value now and put it at 6. Check. It's now 4. It has now increased to 4. So here now, from this point now, I will now bracket this one, and bracket this one to become 2 in a bracket. Now, what is common in the first bracket? Observe this, please. Observe. Watch this, please. X, here, I have 6 here. I have 9 here. But if you check very well, you will discover that here, this 9 and this 6, something can go in them. What can go in 6 and in 9 is 3. Next up, that means 3 is common. I'll pick 3 out. Next, I will now check again. What is also common here? Observe that there is x here and there is x here. That means x is in the both places. It's common. So what do I do now? I will pick the smallest power of x. Yeah, the smallest power of x here is 1. 2 is bigger than this one. So I will put it here. I will attach it to this one. So this is what is common in this bracket. So what do I do now? Open another bracket, and then I will use this to divide every variable inside here. So first, I have 6x squared here, divided by 3x. That's the first thing I'm doing. So x cancels, this is 2. The remaining one x cancels 2x, remaining 1. This, what can go here is 2, Abby. So I'm having 2x here. Look at it here. Now, plus, I will take 9x outside, and I will divide it by 3x. X there can cancel x. X is out. How many 3 can I find in 9? It's 3 alone. So this is it. Now let's check if that variable is correct. So 3x times 2x will give us 6x squared. Correct. 3x times 3 here will give me 9x. Correct. You see how it works. Minus here. What is common in both places? Check. Here is 4, here is 6. Something can divide 4 and 6. It's 2. So bring the 2 out. Now, I told you in the first video that you don't need to stress yourself to divide again. If you use this to divide these 2 variables, you are still going to have the same thing in the bracket. But so long as you have known what is common, just open this bracket and write the first. Look at the value in the first bracket. Write it here. You are correct. So check if it's correct. Minus 2 times this one now will give us minus 4. This is my minus 4. Then minus times plus now will give me minus. This is it here. 2 times 3 here will give me 6. So I have minus 6. So it's correct. So what do you do going forward now? Observe the both bracket. The both bracket must be the same. Must be the same. If they're not the same, you have done. If you have just done nonsense. It must be the same. I'm not gonna lie for you. It must be the same bracket. What the next thing we do now? Pick the outside one. Like I said in the first video, you can decide to pick anyone you like first. Pick anyone you like. Me, I just want to pick the outside value. Pick anyone you like. So what do we now know going forward? After picking them out, that's 3x minus 2. This is it. And then this bracket is 2. The same thing, pick one. So this is my final answer. Thank you for watching. If this is the first time of watching this video, coming across my video and this channel, please kindly do it to hit the plus sign and follow for more. Tell this to your friends, brothers, and everybody in your community. And see you in the other class. Bye-bye.